How to change navigation buttons on Android. This tutorial shows you how to switch to button navigation and customize the button layout. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. From there, tap Display. After that, tap Navigation bar. At this point, tap Button Navigation to switch to the traditional 3-button layout at the bottom of your screen. From here, tap Button Layout just below it to customize the order of the buttons. Following this, you'll see two options for the layout, one with the back button on the left and recents on the right, and another with them swapped around. After that, tap whichever arrangement feels more natural to you, and it will apply straight away. From here, you can also toggle on Show and Hide button if you want the navigation bar to hide itself when you're using an app and reappear when you swipe up from the bottom. Finally, if you change your mind later and want to switch to gesture navigation instead, just come back to the same navigation bar page and tap Swipe Gestures to make the switch. That's how you change navigation buttons on Android. If this was helpful, leave a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and tap the bell so you never miss an upload. See you then!